people, we thank Baba God. Oh, Baba God, don't let us see another day. Oh. See also they thank una when they listen, when they share, when they wash, when they do all things. They make sure say we go. And they thank you now. Today, the story when I want yarn about now this international break matter when they grant. So this international break, it didn't necessary, it didn't needed at all. All these are various nation league and the rest when they play, they're supposed to play by this time because see all the baby clause, majority of them they lose their top player to injury. Because no one don't forget the league season don't start. Some league only 2 games they don't play, some league only 3 games they don't play. Which day they play you go find out for year. How many weeks some players only 3 weeks holiday they get, some 2 weeks they don't come back to their club, they train. All these players are human beings, even if everybody don't say their job is they do. They pay them big money, they do this one, they do that one. But we also consider their health. No, the injuries don't they set in every time. Now the clubs will suffer. Imagine club like Arsenal now, they lose their captain. Nobody don't know how long go stay. Ankle injury. They still lose their new signing California. Nobody Arsenal. Man City see collect Ake injure for the match, for Netherlands match. Even Liverpool see collect Elliot see injure. So all those things how would they talk? How long do fit they do like they fit they keep up like this? Because players no fit just the injure now the club and they end up with suffer all these things. You dey get? So they feel say this international break not supposed to happen now. It's too early. Maybe they for carry go ending of September or only October. Because now if you see the features when they come, some clubs they play every 3 days. They play match back to back. And some with this injury crisis now, me some clubs they get based on this international break, how they want to meet up. You understand? The thing they very bad. I just believe say whoever they in charge, if na FIFA, if na UEFA, who they in charge, me they do something about these things. Even the players when they come out, they voice out say this schedule not easy for them. What we come and talk, say they sustainable. I be the English may speak. Even Man City and Bernardo Silva still come and still complain. But everybody they want to shut them down. Say with all the millions where they receive, they're not supposed to be complain. They get right to complain because they be human being like all of us. Person know your feet they play, but they play. They only get time to rest. They still get family. But they're supposed to sit their house, say enjoy with your family, say enjoy with your children. But they don't fit because every 3 days they play ball. Because UEFA and FIFA so they bring different tournament they come. Which one be UEFA League again? I be UEFA Nations League when they see carry come out. So all those things now when they talk, they supposed to they bring opportunity when they scrap, they reduce the number of games where they play. Because people like say na Saudi, they play games like that. Because the other leagues the features they crazy. They play back to back. But doesn't make any sense. May they help for these players too. FIFA, UEFA, may they do something about this thing. Let's say an opinion for this thing when I see talk so. When I see Yana, when I see talk on our own, my people, when I do.